ama yera nya utamakura
akani utie oha echi punk no needs
FM adokoro mo papa maben
yo midase mamin chia etifo ya omutie Needs FM na min chia mi nia ma mienu ya omsosoro mo na minim se ehu ade kasi o kama mbuofu no ma ko so kinka kata na mbuofu le hoya
ama sapo kuma Jesse of mame no ai
Debbie amanyesem kasa political communication in general no yemfa bufu nkasa so de bufu kasa pe wagene mu nsem abeka ni ade nyina fi na kwada asem eni ateni enti ebi amempa bonu so nyame nsoma no no nsoma kuma na men kasa manyansa wudi ama osuri aba bompa de amama jofo no se de be ya yen kasa na nya bufu so mira yedi kan kira no kasa mbi se yemfa mpa ebuo ema yempanimfo de wagya no nani nya hota makru wanyini yi pa eya odi tutu nsani ani a biko betimi awo me ana wotimi kura no ofa panina no nura ebi atwamu no na ye hyahye no youthful exuberance keka bi kira no ade ba ye brum panin so kira no say me yabofra na me kasasa bofra ene ye brum pempen so ya yesu akwa room models e dia mankofo wi disi e kasa no ye ko fa wansra ho ebriye nkura na yesu ye ni nyansem nti nyame mmabotre ho na emum de wo kan de mi ngunu ni awo pe e de akire MPP ku enye mmra ye de keta hyehyɛ edware ye nie we kwa pokwa de yetrie ye to mai mu president ku for pen so ABC for kan ya kan ni pen se obuasi gotros kwa de aton enyo do mu kan bi fifi kwete mu kan bi omo ba ba mu achepa.
Hello?
Ya so ye nyina. Enti asema wonni adanse ni gyina so no so bi edi kira gyina ye kyase no bi di adanse. Enti based on what happened. Fie watwi wo mo baaye enipa dunkron of akwampiani of akwadempiani rekubrobe Dr. Anane Dr. Antonio Sakoto Professor Jambafo Asamoah Aten of Akwasi Aginom any panifo ni mebre wo mo do mo koye no ewie duro no ne anu se na yetanhunu. So we have the record. And intino, what they are saying or what he is saying is one thing. No mum ni ban so by no and a bayer that today. Na what makru ka say we say ya. Na ka official nya makru sembe pa no be kan dia fa MPP ho. Because he got to abakra no. Say a week to the election no, he had a press conference say ye to ba no fa man na dan ko Akufuado. Ana wante media opmeboa.
Ya be gwa say be to abande so o kan sem bebre.
O kan sem bebre e bia ni ono mu a. Wo ka edibo na Akufuado. Edibo na Akufuado abaso. Na sema no o kan nyina no eni se ye ntu aba man na Akufuado. O ka ya mpo de to aso se na Akufuado ba bia ni wa obetimi aye. Ende nyame adom ya hota makrasi mo ka ye no. Ghana fo antie. Ampa na Akufuado o so timi nya no. Eba e free SHS ende nyame adaroma. Page 107 of our manifesto yaye. One district, one factory, page 23 of our manifesto. Yegusu ayeye. Passage of information bill. Page 137 of our manifesto. Yetimi aye. Renovation of railway lines. Dogati. Ebona basede biya. Ugusu awoye juweye. Page 77 of our manifesto. Office of the Special Prosecutor. Page 135 and 138 of our manifesto. Yegusu ayeye. Putting the economy on track. Nyamia daruma. Yesika semno atuto ye yatiase se sebe reflecting wo kwa bi so na so amanfo nyine hu ye na sabemu nya botre mu se ekwambre mu ne edu aburo na sebe wo hwe ye na odi kwa na kwachia aburo no wo ba chiawe anad be banku ba wachina ye twito mu no nya bi enti yade ye nyina emu odin ma ye de na nso no afutuo no ne se free school aba ma me de mu asigya so ye nya bebre pamu no emu no be bene amye de bomu aguso amobi anya bi odi ya no to nkan ya dum so na wota makru bi ofa na metra hunu pa so ntade amomo and DBC for 5 years and then ntade atretre the timi ya no and page 40 ya ka dum so wasem of our manifesto creation of new regions and also page 67 of our manifesto ya ka even western of nkwa e create 6 other regions media odi ya no ato nkan ya yaka provision of modern multi-sport stadia. Page 165 of our manifesto. And then you see Mako 10. Including Azuma National Sports Stadium and this manifesto 2016. And I'm say come Rini Yakobe. So say yeah. Intinia Yamoka no Musamre Bim. What the other two in China, a year national identification. Muamina, when you go so yeah. Training allowance, Yaka Wasem, page 118, Yaristo. Training of teacher, registration of teacher training allowance, page 112, yeah. One village, one dam, page 50, Yamia Dom. You saw, yeah. Anything of the Oka, yes, yet, yeah. Anything of Sabi, Oka, some will say yet, yet, and yet, the Okano. What basis the man for the JD? Again, one word to the new to say, blood is thicker than water. No fascinating Paul and Ibrahim. And it is Ibrahim or your sanity. Now the would have say, and sir, I shall know. Sabi, I feed you one, young child, son, and the man people so, Yahota Macruba, ambassador. What are the Serbia Montenegro, Sanifa, or what now? Equadio, and internal Kaunian, Ubusha for but party the Dokoye, and then the Quadru Babino, the Refino. But let me present penny forces will be show at Ukomwa. Your true Fanunku, but you know, we can a Catramari. Namak, Ucha Catramari, Chairman Waye, a home fast war, anything. And it is another what the catch you say, no fascinating Paul, any John Mamma Ibrahim Bia. Better not here, because Sabi, one buyer, Yamin Pogus one buyer, and can a yen in a he boxer, and can one fascinate a demano. Comedy departure, ya buy you and Tessa. And it's been the idea of comfortable. But on one Casano, Bible see any penny and trust him, send one in for platinum at Tiano. And for no Motian, send will see no more at Tier, Ewasum Jim. Send will see no Motier, Ewasum Jim. And if I blew on no more minia, so be do a cheer, why you could be Kuma. If I will be do a cheer, no, the Dom Nabrewo, a minia day, what the Casapa. What the Yamuya, what the Yamisuro, what the Nipaye. Now, what about Crucia of a Yahota Crucia, what Yawa, what Sabit, then 74, the Atmovian, what the Achao. This I've done in a share. No, I am in Peru, Tibaco,
on Chia.
Okay.
What's in this out the idea?
What's your poor Betty? What the king, what the son, him, you, what the Achao, or Boo, Busa will be out in Yahotamaki.
Hey,
yeah. Na sabi ya di we ni aba etu anu kura no baby akwase se no faasi ni Ibrahim ni joma menti obo adise no wonu anu bottom tugu na nim fuampo no sabi me wo fa won tidanim ena manyasem ye de sedie hwemi ni amaye gu studio hwa mo ho fe nanso ye mfa wo fe mu amanyasem mu sesei amanyasem mu no sabi wo fa che obi nanso ba fom na odi ahobrase atwe no amanyasem mu mashia kɔ nanim ente sadia nka professors of political science and the mayor amanyofo nanso nyia no de ye enipa ye brafom that you biano you are giving the talent or the gift to serve ya wota makromi ofa wonu ankasa busa kwase one more no obo fipam e wa Shoma estate send sika every now and then etuo na popo one epam wache wo since time memorial upia kunkunu wo ba what you say medical kasa men kasa bia ntia no ye nyina no yekekako eti bedru ba bia no se de abufuo akasa mutia ye mpanimfo a ekwade ye kyesu meka bi de tia ye de ya meku hello
aha what for ameti of one no me bisa we
yeah the empesa meka mama fatia se ni se ye nim ye pa ni se Job ka sembi e wo Job tidu mechewudi o so pani timu na nyansa wo etinye de ho eni ntim pesu akoduro no oyi asem to wono mu a oma ye ntase ne se pan na haba ye pense mu ye no ne ade mpuntu beba na mom sade o ka asem no tra na onya basis bia nyina so no yesa na ma bible di ntro se pani timu na nyansa wo nya de kore ma bible is always right and that's why you not the feeling atinka eni abusiasem ruamanyesem a no kura wasa woka no na akata wani afa no wuru de woka na koye nsem bebrebe
all right
yeah futuo na mde man wofa
okay mama bisa we yera nyawota makro unhunu so ye MPP ni
o say
unhunu so ye MPP ni ana
mark odi obi a me no ayedwuma che na asa ye minua na metwam bia kwa san makwaskore etu we say me no mpre na ma so asemba ko mark utie me
Betio.
Busa mani akusia se. Munyina mu ye Christopher. Kwado yazini. Me musa se bronsam. Oda so ye oso abofo no ka ho. Bibusa.
Abofo ne de bonsam de nim so nka ho.
Me da say. So okay Ezekiel 28 and Isaiah 14. Oma the attributes of Lucifer. Okay the Fida Bongo. Just yesterday he was for the
Wahomano.
I didn't know in the same way and not yet. What you say? So you Christo near who should obey the say Christo. Now what you call Christo now sorry who put it on the other. It was and Yahudina. Okay, I the chebe Yahudina.
All right.
Then you mum title to.
Or they
not title about
and you know so
and down so and I me MPP. Maybe process here, you know. So me kwa kasa me MPP ni na me su enemy buy a babra. Me ni a eda ni ajeme di atum.
Okay.
And into na Yesu ka e say no no from urade no. E no be ni oso ahinde na ko. Nipa me bre na bo Yesu ni. In the same way, nipa me bre na bo MPP ni. E binum kura ho no mo nda no. Wa mo nkasa de. Wa ma ye din de. But utie na say nyuma binum ye no fom no. Obo so we no sabe me ni a won ka ye ho. Saa na ndi so be kwa no ubenya video ho no. E di nya ho ta makro ofa. Minim ye pass e bre bi atwa mu no. No so ye MPP ni. But no babontia be ka che say me ho fa se ni mpo ni Ibrahim ni John Mama. Eti bi du o machi a. Na ya dan no ka che me say ensu a ye nom ya nwumu nam no ya nom ya tumu nsu a me busa o. Chirikoko di ni ma Mark. We dey ye nyina na free no a chirikoko di ni ma.
Okay. All right. One of the issues. Yeah.
Why you no say? But someone cause abofo no. Anyone you say no.
Okay. One of the issues okay ye FPPA is sema ababetoko. A otime hu say yade a egu party hu fi.
Wonim bibi.
Yes sir.
The political discourse. Ya manya sem ya ye. Any de ekeka ho no. What we lack and ye hear say de beka ho. Critical thinking. Si a bebo nkokupa pense mu se me to ya na masapo bebe nyame ehira ne na kodroi se me pese de mesai no ye se ne antrodro no ensa nru honom enya sa ne ka no aja ye wonyum ko bi ko e ka se ye antrodro ensa nru wa ite o ye nko ye se eku ra ho ye sa no ka no mark himself what memorial ye hwe mayimu emra 79 AFRC PNDC ba ye pe Equipment yamfa champon, yamfa frifa, yamfa kufuno manfaso, yamfa medobache manfaso, yamfa medoma manfaso, yamfa ferimo antraso, wamu ya kromfo, wamu ye wesei, ena hey, Junior Jesus, ena diade, and will be a kwa journey the bandwagon, and you kum wamo. Yes now, oh, emre bechem, yamusa se die pa na champo wiaye, yamusa se die pa na frifa di wiaye. And none of your trust in your bone compa. Yes, give the dog a bad name and hang it. Sabi asemi abayi, sakesa, yamunya and so. May I cherish my religion and my church more than any others. May Christo Sumrudi, na may 7th-day Adventist Sudi. Ya sisa yano, Krononya dia so. Enti sakesa. Nothing something you know about church. About the Betiaka. Name woman Obin was say, my investigation. So shafa emwa pani nkasai ya dia no man pani so to anamon e dia ma the appropriate quarters e mo so mo twetwem na say the city bia no ya hunu say the city na all of a sudden public trial it is a banias wa dibimwa na say ne aka enu nti na make senka yewura ya ho chama tabaklu enka na o say kotimi nya abotre me woni bi say na me so meka mo as a journalist, as a broadcaster asem we ba e me so to anamon the manasi di betu jano. Near the kind, no say, contract based do 9 and a woman arena. And you know, credit out of the 14 of bedi, you know, a 5 and a minoka say, it be almost a kind. And you know, credit say, almost win a contractor, and now a year 20 million. So far, the highest contract of 1.9, it be a 200,000 and a 5 out of 14. What the are so at in Kenya. Hello?
Meteo.
What the are not so at in Kenya. And you know, credit so say companies no 2. mistakenly company back one muka and 1 no Macron register general akwache enye yewura they say no you amodia a different company coming mo she kra no o de wo you be I trust you me no ayadwuma just go and verify o de no so atu nkyɛn a menia ɛyɛ na ntwa to so bi so no ɛyɛ yie pa papa no ɛyɛ no kra sɛ wɔne na contact for mo company no mo form company na ne dwumadie ba so pɛ ɛwa go resign free mu ɛna anytime bia so a wo mo company no ɔmba bedi no yɛ bɛkro no wɔn kusu ne ho from the board and no so they have a letter to that effect again ade ba ko so o se yɛ no so ɛwɔ saade we say on pa ye ɛwɔ PPA adie won say enye wo mo enye PPA na ma contract as erroneously someone or people have had it enye no correct PPA there what they do they say they provide preliminary or they say guideline as a bia me aduma kubes mako west housing makoto ayi na bia ya select one na provide say we mo na meet criteria no etinya no kra say e bia nipa no te faako e na ba je odi e na we de mayi we say yafa yenya botre en kamen preme ho enkoka because aya de bani na investigation beba video no manya bia he so we papa no poster any manasi poster say no musi tuo din komo no na enye e bibia say oyi obi oni na 90 year ne yonko brebu a oni ne nam iya bibia mu no oni manasi eye eti eye de ben na Julius Caesar and then the Brutus Asoretia no eye de ben na Yesu Kristo and say Judas Iscariot all tears sorry e de tia Yesu Kristo eti me de me maka ne say manasi ye madamfo emra ni issue ba ye e wo castle ye ogufu ye no ye nkrofo me bre sorry tia no me Mark what see this comedy defending and said that be so the bahina emra ye gida ne sadan sem ba ye no ye heli no so akoyam from so amom yan kainra Mark man ka say we all over the place man ka
okay
but e ko wiase a National Media Commission ba ya ye December 2 just matter e ye tro na odi ye no sabi na nka kwatwere and out of desperation sa na tie dia I'll score political points and ya men kofo obi a me ne nam na me mu na nim ase but me dia America ne say said the men won nante every corner would you be pure cream and I mean ya to one way so will have gentle and I said bia one more kaka wunyina one more mono none of metania nyame wo so etimedia yenya botia ya mampania
who ne say eye Manasa Zure adwuma no ye na out of desperation
to some extent because minia anybody ba bonten ebeka ye and a contract for sale near the no there's no evidence to that effect and no the me then party say institute of or the saying public procurement they also came out so virtually no minia at the end of the year to me evidence says here silence is the best judge
all right
and time is also the best judge
okay
minia botre na ye January na Kufuado awaka so he corrupt no na Kufuado NDC information bill is almost by 2008 they pass it Omanya Wojuma na Kufuado and na pass that bill no and that them yet say and this manifesto page 24 2008 almost can say ye bape ye nyate corruption why by Wojuma almost by ya na munta cancer kobo mu near Professor Mercy Busa Ghana for say ade wonu kwa na obi a wedi card na yire tu kwa brichira na Onon kwanu obi a wedi Ghana sika we minister wedi Ghana for sika
all right
etiminia the difference me say na Kufuado o ya penia one traffic mass bi amfo asem no ba ye no wo se mi wura menyi wadidi e me mpamo wo de ko na koka wasem na mom nyon kwa na be ko wasem be dia ma other institutions and the matrix mo ka say yoko and I say one of the institutions
yes Shraj na Shraj
and already so Matiami dis so invite no na sabia so abo ne ya ye yin mprenu Sanya Manasi, I said, yes, that too, you know, influence on the commentary, the Aka Kawa de Bay, you know. So say, you know, as some no bar, I'm on flight to the Crasena, is Yakoye.
Okay.
I would say, meaning said the very day about journalism, no, Ghana need that because they are the fourth estate of the realm. And so, never sensation, I think, Canadian money maybe any influences be about this realm, no, and said here, journalism, Fiasia, I'm on your phone, young lady.
All right.
Yo,
what fire ya that's an pay?
Yo, Miss Redassi. Ya make us open your Tamakuni say, Taputre. nimfie ni pempen so okoduro no okeka ko 8 years no so anhwe ye no de nsɛm anya no kura any basis a na na mo nyam kakra ebi okura no na sɛ bo ye ama manfo de tietia fam so enipa de wanya nyina no ensin wani mo nyam me da fipi
yedanse ne wadwe nkyerɛ ɛna no pɛ ye ne wofa ya adomako ba fi ya adomako ba fi kan no director of communications said ma NPP and they do your full soldiers president and ye no edin komo no
Utie Oha Exi Punk no Needs FM